Welcome to BikeSphere, your go-to destination for everything motorcycles. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha R15 V5. Buckle up as we dive into what makes this bike a must-have for riders. Introduction to the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5. The Yamaha R15 has long been a favorite in the sports bike segment, and the 2025 version is set to continue that legacy. Known for its sleek design, impressive performance, and cutting-edge technology, the R15 V5 takes everything to the next level. From upgraded features to more aggressive look, this bike is geared towards both enthusiasts and aspiring riders alike. Design and aesthetics. One of the most noticeable updates on the 2025 R15 V5 is its bold new design. The bike now sports a more aggressive front fascia with sharper lines, making it look even more race-ready. The new LED headlamp and revamped fairing give it a more modern, aerodynamic feel. The body is compact yet muscular, enhancing both the aesthetics and handling characteristics, ensuring that the R15 V5 not only looks great, but feels great to ride. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 R15 V5 features an advanced 155cc liquid-cooled engine, now more refined to deliver smoother and more responsive power. Yamaha has equipped the bike with variable valve actuation (VVA), ensuring optimal performance across a range of speeds. With 18.6 horsepower and a peak torque of 14.1 Nm, the bike offers an exciting experience on both the streets and the track. Expect sharper throttle responses and improved fuel efficiency compared to its predecessor. Technology and features. Yamaha's also upped its game in terms of technology. The R15 V5 comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, providing all the necessary data at a glance, including ride modes and gear indicator. Additionally, the bike now offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to sync their smartphone for real-time notifications. Safety is paramount with the inclusion of dual-channel ABS and enhanced braking systems, providing superior control in all conditions. Handling and comfort. Despite its sport-oriented design, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 excels in comfort and handling. The suspension setup includes a telescopic front fork and a rear monoshock, ensuring a smooth ride even over bumpy roads. The lightweight frame and responsive chassis make it an agile bike, perfect for both city commuting and spirited cornering. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, this bike promises a comfortable yet exhilarating experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 continues to be a dominant force in the small-capacity sports bike segment. With a perfect blend of style, performance, and advanced features, it's clear that Yamaha has designed this bike with the modern rider in mind. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a bike to take to the track, the R15 V5 ticks all the right boxes. Thanks for tuning into BikeSphere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest bikes. See you in the next video.